The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cheshire County in southern New Hampshire, southwestern Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, until 8:45 p.m. At 8 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sharon, or near Jaffrey, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Nashua, Merrimack, Jaffrey, Bedford, Milford, Amherst, Hollis, Peterborough, New Boston, Mount Vernon, Greenfield, Lynborough, Dublin, Francistown, Bennington, Harrisville, Ridge, Hancock, Sharon, and New Ipswich. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire, Cheshire, and Hillsborough.